Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are doing a massive unboxing of my iPhone 12 Pro Mini in blue. Right, let's start with, we got the clear iPhone 12 case. We got that one with my old black case, and we got the iPhone 12 box. Just let it come out with the iPhone 12. And it comes with a USB Type-C 20-watt power adapter. A bit tricky to take out the box. Here's the plug, and this is screw. And if you know, it's a UK plug with a Type-C charger. Here is the Type-C phone charger with the lightning cable, and we got with it a battery pack, a MagSafe one too. This is one of my favourites to charge up your device. Here it is, got the back, got the charger too, there's the thingy bit, and this thing, you put this on here gently, and it is a magnet. And it's a bit strong to take off. And we've got the wired earphones / we've got like a player pod, and it comes with extra accessories. We got this phone case all in black, and it came with the lanyard, goes across your neck here. We got this phone case, and you got the stand and the camera bits. This one is my favourite. You got the same here with the camera, and this phone case is cool. It's Gucci iPhone 12 case. If you like this video, I'm not done this for a while on my YouTube. Let's set a like goal. We should get on my video around 36,000 likes and comments. If you like this video, subscribe, turn your bell notification on, set to all. I'll be leaving my links in my description box. Make sure you follow my social media. Before I go guys, don't forget what I will say at the end. Always stay cool and stay organised. See ya.